Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Are you like me and do you like to take your cat all over town with you? Well, then you should look into this front expandable cat backpack. I love this backpack for so many different reasons. First off, I love the window bubble. My cat loves it too. I have an indoor cat and he's not allowed outside, so I wanted him to get the full experience of everything outdoors, but also remain safe. And I really get the feeling that he's safe in this backpack. Everything really closes up really securely. Nothing opens back up. And that's what I was really worried about when I put him in here. I also wanted to make sure he could breathe and that he's not uncomfortable or just wanting to get out right away. And I love how there's these venting holes in the front, but they're also on the sides of the backpack as well. And there's a lot of mesh on the backpack, which makes me feel very comfortable knowing that my cat has good breathing air coming in and out of the backpack. It also has these really nice straps, so it's really comfortable because we are carrying a lot of weight on our backs when we have a fat cat in here, and I have a 15-pound cat, so I'm really testing the weight of this backpack. And so it's good for me to have little buckles on the straps. I love everything about this backpack. If you're just looking for a good quality backpack to keep your cat in, or even a small dog, I think you'll really enjoy this backpack. It's stylish, it comes in a lot of different colors, and I think it's a really nice way to take your indoor animal, or even an animal you just want to keep safe and take out with you. This is a perfect way to do that. So I really suggest getting one of these. I think you'll be very happy with it. That's just my point of view.